Good morning, dear students. So, class 4th B, we are doing chapter 9, water and weather, weather and water. So, I hope you have understood land breeze, sea breeze, evaporation, condensation. Now we will do that how condensation takes place in nature. We will start with that topic, that how different this condensation takes place in nature in different form. Okay, in different form. So first is rain. Now, as you did in class 3rd, water cycle, we did water cycle, and in that one part was precipitation. What was that? One part was precipitation, that is rain. What happens during the day when it's very hot, when the sun it's very hot, due to the heat of the sun, the various water bodies on our earth, they get heated up, and that water in present on in those water bodies, they changes into water vapor. They change into water vapor, and then it rises up, it rises above, and when they cools down there, they form tiny water droplets. When these water droplets come together, they form cloud. And when this cloud cannot hold these water droplets, it falls back, the droplets falls back on the earth in the form of rain, which we call precipitation, and in normal language, day-to-day language, we call it rain. We have read that water from water bodies evaporates. Yes, it evaporates, and the water vapor formed rises up. It cools down as it goes up. Okay, as it goes up, it cools down. When it cools down, the vapor gets condensed into water droplets. We all know that when we heat water in the kitchen, you might have seen, when we heat water, when we keep a lid over it, when we keep a lid over the water, whatever water vapors resting on the lid, when it cools down, it again changes back into water. Same way, this is happening in the larger scale when during the day, due to the heat of the sun. So water droplets collect together to form clouds. When the water becomes too much for the clouds to hold, it falls to the ground as rain. This is very common. That how does rain occur? काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं, मतलब काफ़ी सोचते हैं कि ये बारिश क्यों होती है. It is because of this. Understood? It is because of this. Then coming to the dew. Now what is dew? You might have seen during the winters, when you wake up, you might if you have a kitchen garden, if you have a garden, you might have seen tiny water droplets on the leaves in the grass, जिसको आप हिंदी में ओस कहते हो. That we call it, in English we call them dew. So why dew on the grass and the leaves? This happens because at night, when it is cold, when it is very cold, things like grass and leaves also become cold. Obviously, when it will be cold, they will also become cold. So water vapor present in air, water vapor is present in the air also. Water vapor present in air condenses on them. It condenses on them in the form of tiny water droplets, which we call dew. They are called as dew. Now coming to next, mist and fog. Now what are mist and fog? In cold weather, water vapors condenses into fine droplets. In cold weather, mostly you might have seen fog in the winter season. अब हमेशा विंटर सीजन में देखोगे, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड होता है. गर्मियों में कभी फॉग नहीं देखते हो. गर्मियों में फॉग वहाँ पे होती है जहाँ पे एक्चुअली में ठंड होती है. ठीक है. सो बट गर्मियों में कभी भी फॉग नहीं बनेगी. सो द मोस्ट कॉमन फिनोमिनन ऑफ फॉग विल बी during the winters, because it is very cold. In cold weather, water vapor condenses into fine droplets and settles on the dust particles in the air. Okay, we have dust particles in the air. So water droplets, those fine water droplets, will settle on the dust particles in the air. These condensed droplets hang in the air and make it difficult for us to clearly see. Okay, to see clearly, because these water droplets, they have condensed and they are hanging in the air in the dust particle. This is called mist. This is called mist. When the mist is very thick, it is called fog. Mist जब थोड़ा सा आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा सा, and then fog when it is very very dense. Mist is not very very dense, but fog is very dense, then it becomes fog. I hope you have understood mist and fog. Now coming to frost. Now what are frost? In some extremely cold places, the ground temperature falls into 0 degrees Celsius. I have told you that whenever it is very very hot, जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, temperature rises. और बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है, temperature falls. When it is very very hot, temperature rises. When it is very cold, temperature decreases. So when it's very 0 degrees Celsius, the temperature is very low, it's very cold. This causes the water vapor present in the air to freeze and deposit itself on grass or leaves in the form of white powdery mass called frost. In the form of white powdery mass called frost. That is called as frost. Now frost and snow has difference. Now coming to snow. Now you might have seen in the places in the mountain hilly areas like Himalayas, then in some places of Himachal also, it snowfall hoti hai. So they receive snowfall because the weather there is very very cold. The weather in some places is extremely cold, as in the Himalayas. The water vapor freezes in the air to form fine particles of ice known as snowflakes. These particles float down and settle on the earth as snow. These particles then they float down and then they settle on the earth as snow. So this way, these cold places, they receive snowfall. I hope you have understood till here.